200 قدام الكاميرا. قلت لها يلا يا تانيا انا معاكي، اتفضلي قولي اللي عايزه تقوليه.
German in this time not safe. We feel us not safe in German. German is very expensive. You have not a good life. Many people are very stressful and angry in German and leave German about this. Our political people don't look for us. About for this, everybody want, many people have money, go out. And many people come also to Egypt. And Egypt is very nice. You don't know how beautiful your country is. And you doesn't know how many luck you have that you live here. Everybody thinking this about everybody thinking we have too much money, and no, it's not true. Okay, many people become 1,500 euro, but in Germany that is nothing. You pay 700 euro just for a flat. Then you must pay for electric phone or something. For 1 liter benzene, you pay 40 pounds. 40 pounds for 1 liter. That's 1,500 euro with nothing. It's poor people. They have this. You know, you can't live from this. Because it's the people's home. People's not living without this German. It's clear when you hear 1,500 euro, oh, these people are so lucky, they have so money. Forget it. Forget it. It's not true. Really, I have a company in Germany, and I work with Golden Tire, I drive trucks, they make really many work was man-made. I take all my money and I sell my company, I sell my land, and leave Germany. My son, for 4 months, take everything, whatever comes to it. My daughter is 21, she said to me, I can't stay more in Germany, I can't do everything. I have everything. He doesn't know that he's feeling in Germany.
traditions and live a free life. People from Europe start now to move here to Egypt because life is much cheaper here and you can make a living also. The Egyptian people, I think, although they are poor and although sometimes they have nothing, and in the morning they make their mind up how to make some pounds that they can get the food only for themselves and for their family. But nevertheless, they are happy. Nevertheless, they always have a smile on their face. And nevertheless, when you as a European come and tell them you need help, they will help you immediately without thinking. This is what I appreciate most of all here in this country.
قد ايه كنت فخور ببلدي وانا بسمع الكلام ده.
I mean, you have to come to Egypt. And I have someone here who will tell you the same.
امين ده بقى ابنها عايش في النمسا وما خرجش من اوضته بقاله سنه عشان خايف من الكورونا. قالت لي قول له كلمتين. Life is not about sitting in your room. By this way you will become older and older and then you will do nothing. You will achieve nothing. In Egypt, lots of opportunities. We have your mother and we have the horses. So you have to come.
Yes, you have to